Meet the lifelong pull-up bar. Your home workout just got a whole lot easier. Built with a strong steel body and anti-slip grips that keep you locked in. Zero compromise. 2 ways to install. You choose what works for you. Don't want to drill? No problem. Rotate the bar anti-clockwise to extend it. Adjust the length to fit your door frame. It fits any frame between 62 and 100 centimeters. Place the bar horizontally between the frame. Then rotate clockwise to tighten. Both ends press firmly against the frame. Secure and stable. Always test with lightweight before your first rep. Ready in seconds. No tools needed. Want something more permanent? Go with the drilled setup. Start by marking the position on both sides of the wall. Drill the holes and insert the wall plugs. Fix the mounting plates in place using the screws provided. Place the bar into the mounted holders. Rotate to lock it securely in place. Give it a quick stability check before you begin. Rock solid. Built to last every single session. Now the real work begins. Pull-ups, chin-ups, core work. All from your doorway. No gym membership. No extra space needed. Strong enough for every goal you set.